Check this out. It's rough for sure, but nothing a little elbow grease, time, and money can't fix. I'm just gonna sandblast this whole thing. Probably sandblast pretty much everything, and then just polish all the aluminum, all the chrome, get this powder coated or just painted, haven't decided. I'm gonna have a guy named Roger at Cycle Electrics help me with this one. It might even just be fine, just need a little cleanup. Need a new spark plug boot, whatever. Gonna have fun with the carbs. He gave me 4 carbs, so that's chill. And he gave me 4 sets of pipes. Gave me another gas tank. So much stuff. We just need to... I should take this video so I don't forget where all the wires go. This thing's crusty though. It's probably sitting outside for a while. I'm out as soon as we're ridden. That's why the motor is rebuilt. Just never put back together. Lousy. We got Dirty Dan loading. Restricting me from getting to those head bolts. I don't know how the wizards do it. I don't have a wrench that'll fit in there. That is a naked motorcycle. Still have more to take off, but it's crazy. Just freshly rebuilt back in 05 and never put back together. Like, all the honing marks are on there, just need some cleanup. Hella cleanup on the outside. You can tell he definitely blew it up once or twice. This side's fine though, crazy. Time for fence. this shit, and most importantly, this shit, to make this look mad decent. It ain't perfect, but damn, this shit fine. This is all black before I started. It's certain polished on this finish. Like I want to keep going. Jesus, look at me.